There is a 33% chance of recession in the next 12 months. That is according to the 69 economists that the Wall Street Journal just interviewed. But what do you think? Where do we go from here? How are you feeling about the rally that we've seen in markets? How are you feeling about prices, inflation, tariffs, all that good stuff? Let me know in the comments. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, liking, subscribing. I genuinely appreciate it. I want to talk about 3 key macroeconomic data points today and what we've seen from the first week of Q2 earnings as that's just wrapping up. Okay, macroeconomic data. GDP growth expected at about 2.2%. That is slightly up. Likelihood of a recession, that's the second point. As I mentioned, 33%. That has come down significantly from 45% that we saw just a couple of months ago. It is still considered slightly elevated though. Low 20s or mid 20s would be considered normal. Third point, and I have a theory on this, I would love to hear your thoughts as well. Consumer sentiment. It is considered low currently. Why are we seeing positive outlook from industries like airlines, banks, and financials from this last quarter in the last week of reporting, but consumer outlook and consumer sentiment is low? I think this has a lot to do with the way that we consume the world around us and our lived internal experience. So, with the increase of the internet, the increase of social media, we're seeing a world around us and we expect to live the same way that maybe we're seeing on the internet, which we all know is likely partially true or not true at all in some cases. That is driving consumer sentiment down. People feel bad about themselves, they feel bad about their economic buying power, and they don't think they're doing the things they should be doing. Let me know what you think about that. I'll have more thoughts on Q2 earnings as we get through these next couple of weeks. Stay good out there.